I sure hope you're having a great day so far. Here we go. Another risk for strong to severe thunderstorms today, and that risk continues for the next couple of days. Today's risk, isolated in nature, disturbance on the way that may spark off some afternoon and evening isolated strong to severe thunderstorms. And if they do, they'll likely become strong to severe. So we'll do it again as we get into our Wednesday afternoon, evening, possibly strong to severe. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, a line of possible severe storms. Flooding potential does exist. And then cooler weather as we head into the upcoming weekend. So we do have a level 1 and a level 2 risk for isolated strong thunderstorms here today. When you look at it, medium category for 60-mile-per-hour winds. Again, this is just going to be isolated. Low potential for tornadoes, but still possible. And then hail and locally heavy rainfall leading to some isolated flooding and flash flooding concerns. And that really is going to compile itself as we head through the next several days. So as this next disturbance swings its way into the area, that's going to help to spark off a couple of isolated storms. I don't think that we're going to get a lot, but anything that goes will likely go strong or severe. It's going to be warm, it's muggy, we're talking temperatures in the 80s, and that's going to be the case as we get into the evening hours. Nice warm evening ahead of us. It is going to be on the breezier side, but again, the clouds are going to continue to increase from here on out. So 7 o'clock here tonight through the early morning hour, we still have a chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms to roll their way into the area. So keep in mind that severe weather risk goes until 8 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. So could still see some strong thunderstorms overnight tonight, with potentially some locally heavy rainfall. Then as we get into our Wednesday, Thursday, that's when things really start to ramp up. A level 2 and a level 3 risk have been issued by the Storm Prediction Center. We are going to continue to highlight the elevated chances for all severe weather modes that are going to be on the table. So through the day on Wednesday, again, we will have to watch out for some discrete cells out of the head of the main storm system. If we can get anything to fire Wednesday afternoon, it'll likely become severe. But here's the deal. We've got an upper level disturbance and a cold front that's going to be swinging its way, and that's going to slide in overnight Wednesday into Thursday. So through 7 o'clock on Wednesday, again, isolated in nature for sure, but we're going to see some stronger wind gusts, some hail, some flooding potential. Still going to keep tornado potential on the low side, but if those discrete cells form, I think the tornado potential definitely goes up. 7 o'clock Wednesday into Thursday morning, here comes our next weather maker, and that's going to continue to bring us a line of showers and thunderstorms through the late evening, early overnight hours, and this also could produce damaging wind, large hail, isolated tornadoes, and the flood potential really increases as we head into our Thursday morning and through the day on Thursday as we continue to see more rounds of showers and thunderstorms. So once again, we are talking about several days. Now, with that one, we're going to elevate everything in the category. So damaging wind, hail, flooding potential is on the high category. Medium when we're talking about tornadoes, but tornadoes are possible as that storm system comes in again Wednesday night and Thursday morning. And heavy rain associated with any of these storms that will continue to fire up. So as the week progresses, the flooding potential increases. And as the cold front comes through Thursday into Friday, we still have a risk for some isolated strong thunderstorms. The flood potential is definitely there today, tomorrow, and also into our Thursday and Friday time frame. 3-day forecast, we're going to see those temperatures climb, or stay, I should say, in the 80s all the way through Thursday. Friday, we're going to see those temperatures come down into the 70s, and it looks like it's going to be a much more comfortable weekend. All right, on the big picture, here's what we're looking at. Again, a lot of folks inside this bullseye of severe weather today. Tomorrow into Thursday, and then Thursday into Friday, it works its way to the south and southeast. Here's kind of the big picture story as the storm system all blasts its way through the area. Isolated showers and thunderstorms out ahead of the cold front. Cold front's going to be moving its way out of the Rockies, low pressure system across the Great Lakes. Here's your Wednesday night, Thursday storm as it blasts its way on in. Cold front comes through the day on Thursday and Friday, and that could spark off even a few more showers and thunderstorms. Behind this whole system, we'll start to relax. We'll see some cooler temperatures and much more pleasant weather is on the way without the severe weather potential. Of course, with temperatures Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the 70s, low temperatures will drop down into the 40s and 50s Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That's going to feel comfortable for sure. Make sure you stay on top of the weather situation. Download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's everything you need to know for us here in East Tennessee. You've got your interactive radar. You get all your push alerts and notifications from the National Weather Service. And if I broadcast live severe weather coverage, you'll get notified right there with the app. Have a great day.